Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you two basic applications to download to help you remove objects from the image background, such as people, watermarks, text, etc. It's now easier on your iPhone. Here's how you can do it confidently. The first application is Snapseed. So, what you have to do first thing is launch the App Store on your iPhone. Then tap the search button and write Snapseed in the search box. Then tap the Get button and wait until the download completes. Now, go ahead and open the Snapseed app. You will see the screen with the plus icon. Tap on it. Your device will show a pop-up asking you to allow access to the photo library for opening images. Select the option. Now, scroll through at the top to find the photo, or you can open the drive, select the camera, or open the latest image from your device. To choose a specific image. Here, open the drive and select the image. Then, tap the Tools menu. Now, find the healing option and tap on it. Hold your finger and tap and drag over the thing you want to remove. It takes some time and trials to remove the large or multiple objects. So, you will see the objects are correctly removed from the image now. Once you complete it, go to the bottom right and tap Tick this. Then, you can select Share, Save, or export your created photos. I used the first way to remove objects or people from the photo. Snapseed is a free app to use anytime, anywhere. So, I personally suggest this app to try it. Let's see the alternate way to remove objects or people from the photo using the Touch Retouch app. You should first download and install the Touch Retouch like the Snapseed app. Now, launch the Touch Retouch app on your iPhone. It will ask you to allow access to photos. Tap and Allow option. Now select the image you want to remove stuff from. Then, tap Objects. Hold your finger and try brushing over the thing you want to remove. That's it. Once you complete removing objects or people from the photo, tap on Export to save as a copy or for more options. The Touch Retouch app offers one export per day. After that, you will need to upgrade the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.